Hello, I'm Todd Collins. Welcome back to the RC Vlog. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on a car. It's the first one I ever bought of this particular model, and it's only the second one I ever bought of this particular platform, which the reason being is I like to go fast. I like to bash. I like to just make my cars do a lot of tricks, and then my son says I like to crash a lot. So today I'm going to be unboxing my very first TRX4m. All right, so let's see what we got inside the box. All right, so you got the usual manual and some tools here. And let's see, flip it on the right side. Here's our battery. Okay, so we got the controller, charger, and here we go. If I can pull this thing out. All right, so here's my Defender, but let's get this unwrapped. All right, look at this. Here we go. Now I'm gonna get you some B-roll in a minute, but let's. You know, this is the clipless body. I don't think I've ever, oh, there it is, up front. Oh, that's really cool. So it unclips right up front, which is really nice. So this little clip up front, so let's see. And that's it. go. That's the Traxxas TRX4m Defender. Man, this thing is awesome. If you don't have one, you gotta get one. You know, my next one will probably be the Bronco. I did pick up the Hydro Cheyenne not too long ago, and I'll be doing a video on that shortly. But man, these little 18 scales are a lot of fun. I'm really new to crawling, and as you saw from the video, there's no other way to put it, but I suck. It was those 6 crashes were pretty much back to back. It didn't take long for me to crash. But I tell you what, this was a lot of fun. You know, I bought the Axial about a year ago at this first swap meet we had here in Southridge, and you know, played with it a little bit, took it to a couple of little spots, but it wasn't fun because we weren't in some really good crawling. There wasn't rocks, it was just little walls. So I never really got into it. But I tell you what, after messing around with the Defender, I tell you, I've caught the crawling bug, and this thing is fun. So definitely go get some. Now mind you, I still like bashing. That's still gonna be fun as well. But this is just another avenue within the hobby. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely go get yourself one of the TRX4Ms, because at 150 bucks, it's a great price point. And you know, and you can pick them up cheaply, but they're great. And there's not a lot you have to do. I mean, I do have a number of upgrades I'm gonna be doing. That's gonna be another video, but you don't need anything for this car. It really is a true RTR. It's ready to run out of the box. Charge it up and then just take off. So anyway, have a great week, you guys. Keep crawling and bashing, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye now.